Hello guys, please full watch this video and like, share, subscribe the video. You can see guys. Let's start guys. Hello guys, today I teach you Excel with mobile divide formula. Where is my student guys? Where is my student? I am present.
I learned Excel divide formula with mobile. I am present, sir. I am present, sir. Divide formula with mobile. I know, sir. I am present, sir.
Hi guys, good evening. What are you doing? Come with me. Today I teach you Excel formula divide with mobile. I have experienced 10 years in office. You can see guys, just click, type equal, first column B, row 5, B 5. Okay guys, next divide symbol click, last column C, row 5, C 5. Enter guys, C5. Enter guys, you can see. So divide 5, so divide 2. You can see guys, answer 50. Next, you can see guys, so divide 2, answer 50. Next guys, equal, first column B, row 6, B 6. Divide symbol click, last column C, row 6, C 6, C 6. Enter. You can see guys, 20,000 divided by 50. You can see guys, divided by 50 is called answer 400. Guys, next type equal, first column B, row 7, B 7, B 7. Divide symbol type, last column C, row 7, C 7, C 7. Enter. You can see guys, 30,000 divided by 100. You can see 300. You can see guys. Next, first column B, row 8, before equal, B column row 8, B8, B8. Divide symbol, last column C, row 8, C 8. You can see guys, enter. You can see guys, 21500 divided by 2. You can see guys, answer 10752. You can see guys. Next, first column B, row 9, before equal, first column B, row 9, B 9. Divide symbol, last column C, row 9, C 9, C 9. Get enter. You can see guys, 4 times 5 and divide by 5. Answer is 4 times 1. You can see guys how to divide Excel with mobile. You can see guys. Next, first column B, first type equal, first column B, row 10, B 10. Divide symbol, last column C, row 10, C 10. You can see guys, get enter. You can see guys, 6005 divide by 5. You can see guys, answer you can see 12001. This is the answer. Divide by last column and last row and last question. First column B, row 11, before equal tab. First column B, last column C, with row 11, B 11. Divide last column C, row 10. Sorry, last column C, row 11, C 11. Enter guys, you can see answer 5 4 times 0.6. You can see guys how to divide Excel with mobile. You can see guys, video you have understand, so like, subscribe and share please. You can see guys.